Okay, I'm going to find out what my bike can do in terms of its rolling acceleration from 0 to 60 in the different gears. So I'm going to try and do full throttle. This is a 150 horsepower bike. I'm not confident with wheelies, so I'm going to be aiming to not do a wheelie, but effectively if I'm rolling, just going to try and get on almost full throttle all the way up and try and see the speed from certainly rolling speeds for this. So let's see how this goes. Okay, first gear up to, no, second gear from 20 to 60. Second gear roll on. 3, 2, get 20. Here we go, and from this to the gear, go. Okay, second gear 20 to 70 this time. Try third gear roll on, see how that works. Might try to do 25 onwards. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's try that one again. Third gear onwards. 3, 2, 1. Okay, here I'm just going to try and get my 0 to 60 time on this. So, try and do this without popping a wheelie. 3, 2, get those cars going. We've got the waiting point. Okay, one more time, trying to get it 0 to 60, maybe not using the speed shifter, quick shifter even, just because I think I shifted too early. But yeah, let's try and get that again. 2, 1. Actually do in first gear. Let's listen to that. What this can do in first